This is all new MX30. Mazda's first all-electric vehicle is the MX30 SUV, which sports a stylish exterior and simplistic cabin, but fails to deliver adequate driving range. The sharp exterior design provides a coupe-like roofline and rear-hinged back doors similar to those found on BMW i3 electric car. The EV Mazda SUV comes with a 30 kWh battery pack that's good for up to 100 miles of driving range. 143 horsepower electric motor drives the front wheels, and acceleration isn't nearly as perky as rival EVs such as Chevrolet Bolt and the Ford Mustang Mach-E or the Tesla Model 3, all of which offers more than twice the driving range of the Mazda. At first, the MX30 will be offered for sales only in California before expanding to other states. The all-electric MX30 comes with one 143 horsepower electric motor that drives the front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive isn't available. However, we've learned that there will be a plug-in hybrid version that launched later and will pair with an electric motor with a rotary gasoline engine, so perhaps all-wheel drive is still on the table. As its low horsepower rating suggests, the MX acceleration isn't up to par with more powerful rivals, but it still feels perky around the town. The chassis is playful and steering is sharp, which is what we expect from modern Mazda. That ego handling is what earns this SUV, and the MX in its name is a prefix which is shared only with the Mazda's 5 Mista sport car. As for range, traction, and battery life, compared to other electric vehicles, the MX30 30 kWh battery pack is small. The EPA estimates its driving range will only be around 100 miles per charge, which is less than half that the Bolt or Kona electric. The battery will be capable of charging on standard AC power as well as more modern or faster DC chargers. As for the fuel economy and real-world MPG, the EPA says the MX30 is good for 98 miles PGE city, 85 mpge highway, and 92 mpge combined, but similar electric vehicles such as Hyundai Kona Electric or Bolt EV carry rating of 120 and 119 mpge combined, respectively. Thank you for watching video.